Hey everyone, my name is Rosika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Rosika. In the previous video, we learned the solution of question number 1 of exercise 1.1, chapter 1, real numbers of NCERT Maths class 10 book. The link for the previous video will be provided in the description box. In this video, we will see question number 2 of the same. Do like the video, and if you want to learn maths hassle-free, do subscribe to my channel. Let's start. We have question number 2 over here. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM and LCM into HCF is the product of two numbers. Here what the question says is, first we have to find LCM and HCF of the following pairs, that is 1, 2 and 3. We have to find the LCM and HCF. After finding it, we have to multiply the results, that is LCM into HCF, which should be equal to the multiplication of these numbers given in the question. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, which is 26 and 91. First, we have to find LCM and HCF of these numbers. So let's do it. Start with 2, and for 91, this is directly divisible by 7, which will give us 13 again. Now we have for 26, it is 2 into 13. For 91, it is 7 into 13. Here we have 13 as a common factor. That means HCF will be your 13. Again, for LCM, let me write over here, HCF is 13 and LCM will be all the numbers or all the highest powers of the number. Okay, for common numbers we have to write it single, that is ones. For all the numbers that is not common, we have to write the highest power of it. Since we only have 2 to 3 numbers over here, the actual meaning of how to write the LCM I'll teach you while we do the larger numbers. So over here we can write it 2 into 7, as we have the highest power of 2 over here is 1 and the highest power of 7 over here is 1, and 13, although we have two 13s over here, one for 26 and one for 91, we have to take it common and write a single power of it. Okay, this will multiply to 182. Now to check the second part, that is LCM into HCF equals to product of the two numbers, first we will check HCF into LCM, which is 13 into 182, which will give us 2366. Okay, again checking with the question. Let me write question over here. 26 into 91 equals to, this is also again 2366. So it is same, and we have verified that the HCF and LCM that we have taken out or that we have calculated is very correct for this question, 26 and 91. Let me remove this for the second question. Question number 2, that is 510 and 92. We have to solve it the same way. Divide it with, starting with 2 and 5 into 1 is 5, and we'll get 35 over here, which is 5 into 7 is 35. Okay, this is how we do it. I have taught how to do this calculation in my previous video, so you can check out the link in the description box and see how this division is to be done. Okay, now for 92, this would be 2 into 4 is 8, 12, 2 into 6 is 12, and again with 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6. Now we have for 510, 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. For 92 we have 2 into 2 into 23, or we can write it in the form 2 square into 23. Here we have 2 as common, don't have any other numbers, so HCF will be 2, and for LCM The highest power of 2 over here is 2 square. So we will write 2 square. Another number we have is 3. Highest power 1, 3. Another 5 whose highest power is 1. Another is 17 and 23 whose highest powers are 1 and 1 again. Now, after calculating this, we will get the number 23460 as LCM. Now, if you want to check if the multiplication of HCM and LCM is same as the product of the two numbers that is provided in the question, we will see 23460 into 2, which is your HCF, is 46920. Now from question, 510 into 92 is also 46920. So we verified this as well. Moving on with and 54. Again, we will do the same with these numbers. We will find the prime factors. Now this number will lead to 2 into 168 is your 336, and again it is divisible by 2, which will give us 84. Again 42, 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 7 is 21. Next we will check with 54, that is 27, again with 3. Okay, so here we have for 336 it is 2 into 2 into, we are going in this way, okay, in this way, okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Next we have for 54 it is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 2 is common and 3 is common. So HCF will be your 2 into 3, that is 6. Now for LCM, look at this. The highest power of 2 is 1, or let me write it first in a simple way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 7. And this can be transformed as 2 into 3 cube. Fine. So in this way, what we can write is, see, for LCM, the highest power of 2 over here is, here we have 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 4. So the highest power of 2 is 4. So we will write 2 to the power 4. Next number is 3. Here we have 3 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 3, that is 3 cube. So we will write this one, highest power of 3. And the next number we have is 7, which is a single number. So directly writing 7, which will give us 3024. HCF into LCM is your 3024 into 6, which is 18144. From question, we have 336 into 54, that is also 18144. Over here also we verified that HCF into LCM is same as the question provided, that is 336 and 54. This is also a way to verify if the HCF and LCM that you have calculated is correct or not. If the multiplication of these two numbers, that is HCF and LCM, is same as the multiplication result of the question provided, or the two numbers for which you are finding HCF and LCM, then your answer is very correct. That's all for the video today. See you soon in the next video. We will be covering next exercises and next question for real numbers of exercise 1.1 over here. Stay tuned and do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.